Today we're showing you a 2015 John Deere 5075E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive open operator station tractor. The tractor has 73 horsepower, has just over 1,000 hours on it. It does have the R4 industrial tires, which are the lower profile tires. Also has the side exhaust option here, which reduces height on the tractor as well. The tractor is in nice shape, has a 3-cylinder John Deere diesel engine with a turbo. Has the 12-speed power reverser transmission. Back tires have approximately 60 or 70% tread life remaining. Has the dual remotes back here, 540 and 540 EPTO. Has the telescopic 3-point arms on the links back here, which are a very nice option. All around, it's a nice clean tractor. The engine will regen. It does not require DEF. You have a little bit of paint coming off the floorboards here. A little bit of discoloration in the hood here, but pretty minor. Up on top of the hood here, I'll try to show you the best we can here with the sunlight glaring, but it's got some scuffs up top here. Certainly isn't a bad looking tractor, but you can still see the imperfections here. Again, 12-speed transmission. You have 4 gears over here to the right, and then 3 ranges over here to the left. 4-wheel drive and 540 EPTO selector back here, and then also your 4-wheel drive here on the floor. 3-point and hydraulic levers over here to the right. PTO engagement up top there, and then your power reverser is right here on the steering column. And you can change direction with this power reverser without clutching. We do take trades. We also do offer shipping and financing. If you have any questions about this tractor or any of our other units in our yard, please feel free to contact us at masttractor.com.